Hey there, beauties. Come with me as I take this client to this from totally a drastic transformation from this. All right. So, as you can see, she has some dry crackiness on her heels, and then we also have a toenail that needs to be cleaned out and beveled down. Obviously, not invasively done. I don't do anything invasive in my studio. I'm all about taking my clients through a 3-step process. That first step being exfoliation, then moisturizing, and then we smooth and we refine. And listen, we definitely have to keep up. I have her on a 90-day regimen to come see me, as well as to use my products to help her at home to heal the bottoms of her feet. She has been using just some, glycerin based products, but I introduced her to these and it's been game changing. If you are having challenges with your feet, such as these, don't hesitate to reach out. I will be happy to answer any hand and foot care questions that you may have, as well as get you one of these foot care kits to get your foot care on the proper path. Listen, your feet can turn around, all right? I'm here to take the journey with you. Click the details below, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.